Webinar on Electrical Essentials for HVAC Engineers. Main switch, condenser water pump, cooling tower, compressor, chilled water pump. Scholenberg International Private Limited has introduced Electrical Essentials for HVAC Engineers. It is with simple English voiceover and supported by very innovative animations. The major contents are: Part 1, Fundamentals. Part 2, Measurements and Testing. Part 3, Motors. Part 4, Main LT Panel and SLD. Part 5, Controls. Part 6, Tender Documents. What is voltage? Voltage is the pressure that pushes the electrons to flow in a conductor. The unit is volt and is denoted by capital V. These magnetic fields are displaced at 120 degrees physically and electrically. The resultant magnetic field in the stator is a continuously rotating magnetic field. This is shown as a white ring. This drawing shows the general arrangement of the following. 1. Outer enclosure. 2. Main bus bar. 3. Main power indicators and multifunction meter. 4. Main incoming switch. 5. Main incoming cable. 6. Interconnecting bus bars. 7. Individual switches with indicators for individual equipments. 8. Outgoing cables to various equipments. 9. Floor stand. SLD of a typical air conditioning plant, the load in kilowatts of each feeder is mentioned. Scholenberg International Private Limited. We are ISO 9001. 2015 certified private limited company. We have been awarded twice by Niti Aayog as India's top 75 business idea. We are in Thane, Mumbai, and have presence in USA and UAE. Our online courses are available at https://sbgblv.com. Please refer to our 100+ testimonials, sbgblv.com. Thank you.